Right, we have an 80/20 wool carpet, and unfortunately it's been a bit of an accident. The customer has accidentally spilt some eyelash tint. I think it's called a Praise, a professional grade eyelash tint. So we need to try and improve this somehow. If you can see lighter patches around where the spots are, that's where the customer used a Dr Beckmann's cleaner. And it looks like it had a brush attached to it because it's damaged the carpet pile, unfortunately. So there's quite a few spots in this area here. We're going to have a go and see if we can improve things, but unfortunately there's nothing we can do about the damage to the carpet. Let's just see if we can take the spots out. On this occasion we were unable to remove the dye from the carpet. The customer had already had a go at trying to remove the dye using the Dr Beckmann shampoo, and this further damaged the carpet pile. So even if we had removed the dye from the carpet was still damaged by what the customer had done to it. If you're faced with a similar situation, first thing to do is to call a professional. Do not attempt to remove the spot or stain yourself. In our opinion, Dr Beckmann's carpet stain remover is most definitely not safe to use, especially on wool carpets.